One blustery day in the 100-acre wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
Ooh! Please!
We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Hello! Right this way! Steal honey! Beware! Beware! Have a lonesome have a lonesome steal honey! Beware! They come in ones and twosles, but if they so choose us, I shall see them multiply. Because they come in every shape and size.
What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh! Hooray! Happy birthday!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear.
Look at all Pooh's presents!
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Children love giving presents.
Wasn't that